All right, what's up, guys? I had a really nice trading day today. I made a total of $3,700, 750 in each account, and I could actually request a payout today. Well, actually, yesterday I could have requested one, but if I do that, I'll only have a drawdown of $1,000 in each account, which isn't much. If I request a payout, I want to make sure I still have a drawdown of at least $2,000. So I'm not going to be requesting a payout just yet because, as much as I want to get money out of these accounts, I am focused on the bigger picture. I'm focused on longevity, right? So I'm focused on keeping this account as much as long as possible, right? Like, the whole point of trading, I feel like, is to stay in the game, keep your capital, right? So that's why I won't be requesting a payout. But yeah, just a little update on my accounts. But yeah, let's go to the trades. Okay, so today was a really nice, clean day, right? And I had a feeling it was going to be a nice, clean day because of pre market. All right, so first of all, you guys already know white lines are support and resistance, gray zones are supply and demand on bigger time frames. All right. So when I came into the market, I saw that we were trending up and we broke through major resistance levels and bigger time frame supply zones, signaling that buyers were super strong. Okay. And the 9:30 candle, you guys already know I wait for the first 15-minute candle to close because these candles are telling a story, and the bigger time frame candles are more, give me more confidence, basically. Okay. But anyways, we see market open up near this supply zone right here. Okay, it's actually a 90-minute supply zone that I'm about to show you right now. Boom, it's this one right here. 90-minute, that's what this gray zone right here is. And the timing was honestly perfect. Market opened up, we were right at that area. So the plan was to wait for the first 15-minute candle, like always. And I said to my group, I was like, okay, if this 15-minute candle closes above this 50% line, then I'm going to be very confident in longs and buying. Okay, so boom. 9:45 came around. First 15-minute candle closed above the zone, as you saw. Actually, all right. I'm gonna switch. Left screen is 1 minute time frame. Right screen is 5 minute time frame. Okay, so I waited for 9:45. The 9:45 minute candle was being formed. Okay, now if you zoom in here on the 1 minute, you could see I waited for a small pullback since on the 5 minute, during the first 15 minutes, we were kind of struggling, to basically keep pushing up. We are kind of struggling. We are closing below this zone. But again, on the 15-minute chart, we closed off very strong above the 50% line that I have, which, if you already know, if it crosses above a 50% line, then I'm expecting it to keep pushing up, even though it's a supply zone. Okay, that's why I have my 50% line right here. Okay. But yeah, I got in the trade around 9:45. I saw the little pullback here on the 1 minute. And if you zoom in here, you can see we retested the zone. And then this green candle closed above not only the gray zone, but my white line, which also signals me to buy. Okay, like at this point, I'm not even making the choice. The candlesticks are making the choices for me. Okay, I'm literally analyzing the chart. I'm not here to make emotional decisions. I'm here to read what the chart tells me and execute. Okay, and that's exactly what I did. I saw this green candle close not only above the zone, but above the white line. So boom, I went in long and I put my stop loss right below this 5 minute wick right here. So it would be right here. Boom, right there. Okay. Now, I went along, perfect execution, perfect trade, beautiful trade. It's it's literally one candlestick on a 15-minute chart. Now, originally I wanted to aim for this other supply zone up here. It's a bigger time frame supply zone. I think it's like a 1 hour or 2 hour. Anyways, I originally wanted to target, but I didn't want to be in that 10 a.m. news. Okay, so you guys already know I like to lock in my profits, and price action has been very nice lately, but these past couple of weeks they've been a little iffy. So recently I've been locking in my you know my my profits as I go instead of holding a trade. But every time that I see my trade play out to like the target that I originally wanted, I never get FOMO. I always think the positive way, which is this gives me more confidence for my next trade. Okay. But anyways, I closed it here because you can see on the 1 minute right here, I saw this little red candle, and it was moving funny at the time. You could tell that it was struggling to like keep pushing up. So what I did was I trailed my TP. Like let's pretend this red line is my TP. I trailed it up here, and I got stopped out around this area. But it was around 200 ticks, a little bit over 200 ticks. Okay. And then I knew that 10 a.m. news was coming out. So I was like, all right, before I get back into a trade, let me cool off. Let me wait for this 10 a.m. candle to come out. Because also it was 10 a.m. news. And even though, like, on some days there isn't 10 a.m. news, most of the time the 10 a.m. candle is very volatile. So I wanted to wait for that. But as you can see, 10 a.m. came around, and whatever news it was, it definitely made a little fake out. So this was news fake out right here. And then I waited for it to, shake off or whatever. And I saw this green candle right here. You see on the 1 minute, I saw it close strongly above the white line. So I went in long. Okay. And I went in long. I originally put my stop loss right below news. Okay, that's where my original stop loss was. Then, once I saw it like keep pushing up nice, I actually added to this, and my entry got pushed up a little bit. So, since the entry got pushed up a little bit, I have to move my stop loss up in order to manage my risk better. So I ended up moving my stop loss a bit up. I've had it like this. And then I saw it kind of struggling to keep pushing up. So I'm pretty sure I trailed in my stop, and I locked in like 50 ticks or something. I'm not sure. But from the original entry, it was a nice trade. It was almost 100 ticks. But yeah, 2 and done. It was a very smooth day, beautiful day. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for watching.